Assalamualaikum students. Illustration number 7. Generalize the following transactions in the book of Sania Electronics Pune. Debit balance on 1st April 2019. Cash at bank 50,000. Debtors 15,000. Stock 35,000. Plant and machinery 1 lakh. Then credit balances as on 1st April 2019. Sundry creditors Varsha 10,000 and bank loan 40,000. Now students, what it mean by why they showed these types of balances, debit balances as well as credit balances. So it means it's in last year's balances carry forward to the current year. जैसे स्टूडेंट्स अभी तक के हमने जो भी क्वेश्चंस किए थे हम उसमें क्या करते थे, कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस करते थे, right? For example, Messrs. So and so brings capital in a form of plant and machinery, in a form of cash, etc., etc. But in this question, they are not introduce or invest any capital. They just carry forward the last year's balances to the current year. यहाँ पे वो कोई भी बैलेंस इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे, कोई भी कैपिटल बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे, बट जो लास्ट ईयर के बैलेंसेस बचे थे उसी को वो एज ए कैपिटल बिजनेस में आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं. सो बैंक, डेटर, स्टॉक, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, दिस ऑल आर असेट्स एंड वर्षा एंड बैंक लोन इज आर क्रेडिटर्स, लाइबिलिटीज. ओके, सो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, सन्ड्री डेटर्स अकाउंट डेबिट, स्टॉक अकाउंट डेबिट, plant and machinery account debit to Varsha account, to bank loan account, to capital account. Clear? Now comes to date 2019 April 1. Purchase goods worth rupees 90,000 from Kangana at a rate 12% GST and amount paid by check. Means what? हम कंगना से गुड्स परचेज कर रहे कितने का, 90,000 का, and we are paying 12% GST on 90,000 and amount paid by check. So first 90,000 का 12% GST कितना होगा? So 90,000 into 12%, so GST amount is 10,800. कितना होगा? 10,800. So purchase account debit, input C GST account debit, input S GST account debit to bank account. Why bank account? Because we are paying the amount by check. Then April 5, sold goods to Neha at a rate, sold goods to Neha rupees 30,000 at a rate 18% GST. Now अगर हम गुड्स परचेज करते हैं, खरीदते हैं, तो हम GST पे करते हैं, और अगर हम गुड्स बेचते हैं तो सामने वाला GST हमें पे करता है, राइट? So Neha's account debit. So first we see the GST amount. 30,000 पे 18% कितना होगा? So 30,000 into 18%. So कितना आएगा? 5,400. So Neha's account debit 5,400 to sales account 30,000, to output CGST account 2,700, to output SGST account 2,700. And listen students, in the transaction number 5 there is an amount different in solution. Solution में by mistakenly 30 की जगह 50,000 लिखा हुआ है, but GST calculation is right, so you just write 30,000 instead of 50,000. Okay, next April 10, sold goods to Sanjay of rupees 50,000 at the rate 28% GST and payment received by check, right? हम क्या कर रहे हैं, संजय को 50,000 का गुड्स सेल कर रहे हैं जिसके ऊपर 28% GST चार्ज भी है एंड पेमेंट रिसीव्ड बाय चेक, राइट? सो फर्स्ट वी सी द GST अमाउंट ऑन रुपीज़ 50,000. सो 50,000 का 28% कितना होगा? 14,000. कितना होगा? 14,000 इज आर GST. सो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट as we received the amount by check to sales account to output CGST account to output SGST account. Now April 14, purchase goods for cash rupees 50,000 at 18% GST less 10% cash discount. ओके क्या कर रहे हैं हम 50,000 का हम गुड्स परचेज कर रहे हैं विद 18% GST and less 10% cash discount. So first we calculate the 18% GST on 50,000. So 50,000 का 18% कितना होता है 9,000. Okay, and again also we are giving a 10% cash discount, right? So 50,000 10% कितना होगा 5,000. Okay, so actually amount कितना हमें मिलेगा 59,000 minus 5,000. So actual amount we received is 54,000. Clear है? Any doubt? Next, April 18, paid for advertisement rupees 8,000. So advertisement account debit to cash account. Next, April 20, purchase a horse for rupees 40,000 and paid carriage charges rupees 2,000. राइट, हमने क्या परचेज किए हॉर्स परचेज किए. इन अकाउंटिंग टर्मिनोलॉजी हॉर्स कॉल लाइफ स्टॉक. लाइफ स्टॉक मीन्स हमारे पास जो भी आइटम्स है प्रोडक्ट है वो लाइव मतलब एक जिंदा माल, राइट, जिंदा गुड्स, उसको हम बोलते हैं लाइफ स्टॉक. सो वी परचेज एन हॉर्स एंड पेड अ कैरेज and horse amount is 40,000 and carriage amount is 2,000. So actual amount is 42,000. So livestock account debit to cash account. Okay, now April 22, paid for printing and stationery rupees 11,000. So printing and stationery account debit to cash account. Next, 26, sold goods to Alok for cash rupees 13,000 at 12% GST लेस 10% कैश डिस्काउंट. जो अभी हमने किए थे 14 वाला सेम 26 में वही रिपीट हो रहा है. 14 में हमने क्या किया था गुड्स परचेज किए थे और 26 में हम क्या कर रहे हैं गुड्स सेल कर रहे हैं. सेल गुड्स टू अशोक फॉर कैश रुपीज़ 13,000 एट 12% GST लेस 10% कैश डिस्काउंट. सो फर्स्ट वी सी द टोटल GST अमाउंट. 13,000 के ऊपर हमें GST कैलकुलेट करना है 12%. सो 13,000 इंटू 12%. सो एक्चुअल GST कितना होगा 1,560, राइट. सो 1,560 डिवाइडेड इंटू टू पार्ट्स CGST एंड SGST. सो 780 एंड 780, राइट. एंड देन लेस 10% कैश डिस्काउंट. 13,000 10% कितना होगा 1,300. ओके, सो एक्चुअल में अमाउंट लेना कितना था 14,560. 13,000 इज अ सेल वैल्यू एंड GST वैल्यू इज 1,560. सो 14,560 इज द एक्चुअल वैल्यू लेस 10% डिस्काउंट 1,300. सो वी रिसीव्ड 13,260. सो इट विल बी लाइक कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, डिस्काउंट अलाउड अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स अकाउंट to output CGST account to output SGST account. And listen students, transaction number 26 working note also shown in the end of solution. Okay, इसकी वर्किंग नोट आपको सॉल्यूशन के एंडिंग में दिखाई हुई है. नेक्स्ट, April 28, received an amount of rupees 1,000 from Varsha which was previously written off as a bad debts. वर्षा से हमें 1,000 रुपीज़ अमाउंट रिकवर हुआ जो हमने बैड डेट्स कंसिडर किए थे. बैड डेट्स मीन्स हमारे पैसे डूब गए, अनरिकवर्ड अमाउंट कॉल्ड बैड डेट्स. सो इंटर विल बी लाइक कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैड डेट्स रिकवर्ड अकाउंट. एंड April 30 लास्ट, गुड कॉस्टिंग रुपीज़ 5,000 डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एज फ्री सैम्पल. सो इंटर विल बी लाइक एडवर्टीजमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू goods distribution as free sample account. Okay, Now we are moving forward to the actual solution. First heading, in the books of Sania Electronics, Pune, journal entries. First date column 2019 April 1, and this is the debit balance and credit balance entry. So first, bank account debit 50,000, sundry debtors account debit 15,000, stock account debit 35,000, plant and machinery account debit 1 lakh, to Varsha account 10,000, to bank loan account 40,000, to capital account 1,50,000, being balance brought forward from previous year. Okay, because it's in previous year's balances. Next, April 1, goods purchase at a 10% trade discount and 12% GST, and amount paid in check. So entry will be like purchase account debit 90,000, input CGST account debit 5,400, input SGST account debit 5,400, to bank account 1,08,000, being goods purchase less 10% trade discount and 12% GST paid by check. Next, April 5, there is an mistake in amount. The actual amount is 30,000, but by mistakenly they shows the amount rupees 50,000. Okay, so Neha's account debit 35,400, to sales account 30,000, to output CGST account 2,700, to output SGST account 2,700, being goods sold to Neha on credit at the rate 18% GST. Clear? Next, April 10, again goods sold entry with 28% GST and amount received by check. So entry will be like bank account debit 64,000, to sales account 50,000, to output CGST account 7,000, to output SGST account 7,000, being goods sold at a rate 28% GST and amount received by check, being goods sold at a rate 28% GST and amount received by check. Next, April 14, purchase goods in cash at a rate 18% GST and less 10% cash discount. So entry will be like purchase account debit 10,000, input CGST account debit 4,500, input SGST account debit 4,500, to cash account 54,000, to discount received account 5,000, being purchase goods for cash at 10% cash discount and 18% GST. Next, April 18th, sorry, paid advertisement rupees 8,000, So entry will be like advertisement account debit 8,000 to cash account 8,000, being advertisement paid in cash. Next, 20 purchase in horse and paid carriage charges, and horse is called a livestock. Okay, so entry will be like livestock account debit 42,000 to cash account 42,000, being purchase horse and carriage paid, either being horse purchase and carriage paid. Next, April 22 paid for printing and stationery. So printing and stationery account debit 11,000 to cash account 11,000, being printing and stationery paid. Next, April 26 goods sold in cash at 12% GST and 10% cash discount. So entry will be like cash account debit 13,260, discount allowed account debit 1,300, to sales account 13,000, to output CGST account 780, to output SGST account 780, being goods sold to Alok in cash at the rate 12% GST and 10% cash discount. And this is, students, this transaction number 26 working note is also shown at the end of this solution. Now April 28 unrecovered amount received, or call bad debts received. So cash account debit 1,000 to bad debts recovered account 1,000, being the amount previously recorded as bad debts now recovered. Okay, and last, April 30 goods distributed as free sample. So called advertisement account debit 5,000 to goods distributed as free sample account 5,000. Narration being goods distributed as free sample. Okay, now all entries have been done and all the general have been passed. Now we do a final total, and the total amount is 5,60,760, 5,60,760. Okay, now now see the student, at the last of this question they shows a explanatory note on transaction number 26. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.